Alright guys, what's going on? So today we'll be taking a look at quite the upgrade for me. These are the AirPods Pro. So I'm coming from the second gen AirPods that are right here. These things have really treated me well, but these right here are going to be pretty nice, I think. So I'm going to get a lot of new features that I never got before. We're also going to get some actual headphones that stick into your ears. So I'm really hoping that they fit in my ears. But anyways, I actually got these for Black Friday, but they ended up being a Christmas gift. So yeah, that's why you're just now seeing this video. But I got these things for $159 from Black Friday. So very good deal on these. I just couldn't pass them up. I mean, I've always kind of wanted to try them, and you know, these are normally $250 headphones, so to get them for only $159, it was just a no-brainer. And I was considering getting the new AirPods, the third gen ones, but those were like $170 or $79, I think. So yeah, these were still cheaper than those headphones. Another thing too that I didn't even realize is they kind of silently updated the Pros to include the MagSafe compatible charging case. So when the third gen AirPods came out, they went ahead and gave the Pros the MagSafe case as well. So let's go ahead and get these things unboxed. We'll set them up and I'll give you some of my first impressions of them. Alright, let's go ahead and pull the little tab here. Looks like it's going to go, well, I thought it was going to go all the way around, but apparently not. So go ahead and just take those like that. And how do we open these? They just lift up. Apparently so. Alright, we have designed by Apple in California. Looks like we got the AirPods Pro, little how to set them up and all that kind of stuff in there. Quick start guide. We have safety things that we're not going to read, warranty, regulatory stuff, yeah, all that. And right there on top we have the Pros. So there they are. They're wrapped up in a little thing here. We'll get to those just in a second. And it looks like down here we have our different ear tips or earbud things, whatever you want to call them. So if you find that the tips on that are installed already don't quite fit your ear properly, you can swap them out with these, so that's pretty nice. And then finally we do get a lightning to USB-C cable right here for charging purposes. So yeah, very nice that they include the cable with it. And yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at these. So here they are. The case is, well, actually, no, it is a little bit heftier than the second gen. Go ahead and kind of peel them out here. There we go. So there we are. So you can see on the front is where you'll find the little charging indicator for the case itself. On the bottom you still have your lightning port, so if you don't have MagSafe or a wireless charger, you can still plug these in and charge them the old-fashioned way. You see we basically have the same kind of design with that metal hinge on the back there, and then there is your pairing button just like on the second gen AirPods. And then of course the case is the same kind of glossy plastic stuff, you know, so yeah, kind of the same build of the second gens and other AirPods, which I mean is to be expected. So we go ahead and open it up and we can see that it's flashing white because it indicates that it's ready to pair, and you can see inside there the AirPods Pros just chilling. Let's grab the iPhone 13 Pro. Let's go ahead and get these things paired up. So Apple makes things super duper simple. You just open it right up and it recognizes them right away. So it says AirPods Pro, and all you have to do is hit connect, and it's going to come out of the case for you and let you know that it is connected. So it's telling us a few tips here. So we got things about noise control. So on the Pros, of course, you can actually squeeze the stem of the AirPod in order to do some different controls. They still have the tap on the AirPods as well. And then, of course, if you go into Control Center, that's where you can kind of toggle on different things and all that stuff. So now it's asking us about announcing calls and notifications. So when supported headphones are connected, Siri will announce calls to her, or to you, I should say. So I guess we'll go ahead and just allow that. And there you go. So now it says those are my AirPods Pro. Looks like the case, it could use some charging as well as the AirPods. So we might have to get them all charged up there, but that's it. So these things are paired and ready to go with all of my devices, just like that. So let's go ahead and put these things into my ears. Well, I guess I can show you guys what they look like coming out of the case. So there you go. Tiny little things. The covers here are kind of a little bit flimsy feeling, but I guess that's kind of how they're supposed to be. So let's see if I can get this thing in my ear. Okay, so I think it's in my ear. It's kind of weird. I'm not used to in-ear headphones. I'm probably gonna have to change something. Okay, so I can already tell that the pass-through's working, or whatever it's called. But see if I can show you guys what they look like. Yeah, there they are. So they're in there. I forget that these bend, you know, like way more than the other ones do. Well, yeah, I guess these fit okay. I might have to try the different tips in here just to see how they work. So I've already forgot what kind of controls we got going on here. Okay, so now we can do that. So right now the noise control is on, so you can toggle that off, and wow. Yeah, so the transparency mode is super helpful. That's what I was noticing right away, because these things really, you know, they're kind of like earplugs. So when you turn this off, I mean, it is quite the difference. Wow. I can barely hear myself just talking normally. And then also you can do the noise cancellation, which is very quiet. Wow, that's cool. But for now, just so I can hear myself think, we'll leave them on the transparency mode here. And then also we have spatial audio, so that's only going to be active, of course, when you're playing some music. So let's play some music. Let's see what I can find. Right, let's just listen to some Ed Sheeran Shivers. Let's see. Okay. Definitely more bass. Yeah, this is let's see what the spatial audio does. Yeah, that's wild stuff. I know you guys can't hear this, but that's crazy stuff. Wow. Okay, hold on. That tripped me out right there. That really tripped me out, because you turn your head and it works. Wow, hold on. Yeah, like, hold on guys. Can I do the camera while listening to music? I don't think I can. Maybe I can. Okay, so when I turn my head to the left, I only hear it over here. And it's just like that here. You look down, it's like it's... Okay, this is really tripping me out, because it's like when I'm looking down, they're in front of me, if that makes any sense. It doesn't even sound like it's coming out of the headphones. That's how wild this is. Okay. Wow. I'm just trying to take this in right now, guys. What if I do noise cancellation? Yeah, I can't hear nothing except the music. Now the fixed, yeah, the fixed is much more like, it's definitely more normal. The head track though, the head track is really cool. That's very cool stuff. These things are really good, guys. Wow. It's, yeah, okay, so first impressions of these things, it definitely blocks out everything. The head tracked spatial audio is some trippy stuff. I mean, it's surround sound, it's crazy. That's weird. Noise cancellation works great. They sound really good. My goodness. Okay. Now let's go real quick back to, oh wow, you guys just heard me break them. Okay. Wow. I just got these. I'm already through my drone. Let's throw the second gen in real quick just to hear the difference, because I know it's a huge difference. I'm just trying to, oh wait, I ain't connected to them on my phone. My AirPods, normal AirPods. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay, so it's a massive difference. I mean, I knew it was, but I just wanted to do them like back to back to tell, and wow, that is, I mean, the second gen headphones are not bad sounding headphones, but you know, these just, it's unbelievable the difference. Wow. Well, yeah, guys, that is my video about the AirPods Pro. I'm gonna try them out, and you know, we'll see how they do over time. Probably make a few more videos about them. Won't make too many about them, because you know, probably just like the review. But this is just purely first impressions and things like that today. So yeah, let's bump one more time before we go. What just happened? One more time here. I don't know why they didn't connect. Probably because I just had the other ones in. What's going on here? Come on, AirPods Pro. You're brand new. Can't be doing me. Yeah, it is so much clearer. Yeah. You can hear the instruments so much better, and the voices. Yeah. Okay. As expected. I knew it was going to be good. Anyways, guys, that's all I got for you today. Just want to make this video unboxing these things for you. They're so far very impressive. And wow, I just noticed on the Mac that they're switching onto it, so that's probably why I was messing up. But yeah, guys, AirPods Pro, pretty impressed by them right away. But yeah, I'll make some more videos about them here soon. Let me know what you think about them. Do you prefer buying the Pro or the new 3rd gen AirPods? Let me know in the comments down below. But guys, that's all I got for you today. Thank you all for watching as always, and I will catch you all in the next video.